Ever opened the YouTube app and thought, whoa, that intro animation is smooth? What if I told you that you can recreate that iconic splash animation using just HTML and CSS, no JavaScript? Let's start with a super simple structure. We're creating two divs, one for the red YouTube container and one for the white play triangle. Now for the styling. First, we'll center everything beautifully with flexbox and give the background that cinematic dark shade. Next up, the red YouTube container. Watch how it transforms from a button into a slick white bar, just like the real thing. Now we add a subtle animation line to slice through the logo. Super smooth transition. Time to drop in the iconic play triangle. Clipped perfectly into shape with CSS. Let's bring it to life with keyframes. This is where the motion magic happens. YouTube box animation. Shrinks down to a thin bar. Widens slightly. Removes rounded corners. Switches to white. Shrinks to disappear. Now, for animation the line. Starting point off screen. Slides across screen. To the iconic play triangle. Slides in from left. Small pause to emphasize entry. Lands in center right. And there it is. A clean, lightweight animation inspired by YouTube's app intro. All done with just HTML and CSS. No JavaScript needed. Want more micro UI animations like this? Smash that like button, drop your request below, and let's make the web more fun. One animation at a time.